Patrice has done it again. Look at this spread. Fruit Loops, banana bread, banana, yogurt, oranges. Can't beat it. And one hot Mr. Murphy.
Hello.
Today's our last day. We are heading out early because of the storm, but we have a surprise coming for you in this episode. If you've been following along and you watched yesterday's episode, we gave you the playlist to a clue. That clue's going to be reenacted today. And we're going to film the whole way home because we're only going to probably make it as far as New York before we get home because of the impending weather doom. But sit back and come along. We've arrived to Heli Tremblant. Those of you that have been following our adventure, you know what this is, and I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Murphy for more info.
This is our grand farewell to Mont-Tremblant today, and we are going to take a 20-minute helicopter ride over the ski slopes, over the lake, and we're going to see the whole village from above too.
And if you're following the adventure, when we were here over the summer, we did the same thing. It's going to be good. Let's go. So when you come into Heli Tremblant, this is where you'll check in. This is where they go over all the rules and regulations for the helicopter flight. Got to use the bathroom, last minute bathroom. So cute. And
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go,
in the cockpit.
go, go, go,
I don't know. I don't think she told you that you were driving the
hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. 'Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat through your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find the door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
What an amazing helicopter ride. That was so much fun. We had a girl pilot.
We had a female pilot. She's been piloting for over 4 years, and she ran the whole show herself.
She did.
She checked us in.
Yep.
She took us to the helicopter.
Yep.
Dragged it out of the garage
Yep.
with her little motorized trolley, and set it up on the ground. Started the thing up in the bitter cold.
Right.
It took us on a 25-minute helicopter ride over Mont-Tremblant village, city, and a couple of other extra spots along the way.
And it wasn't expensive at all.
It was not. It was
No.
$140 a person, and that's not a lot.
And we booked it via Viator too, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah, if you go to Viator, you can often find tours and things to do in places that you might not have knew that these things existed.
Exactly. Check the description down below, and you just might find a Viator link of ours. I don't even know if it's still active.
I hope it is. Get a discount.
Right now, we are on our way home. The drive to Ottawa begins, where we'll be making a lunch stop.
We're making a pit stop in Ottawa for Egg Club again.
Yes.
But this time I'm getting a lobster.
I'm getting something different too.
Sandwich. And then we're off to cross the border, and we'll be heading down to Syracuse. We're going to stop there for another pit stop.
Yep.
Dinosaur Bar-B-Que, here we come.
And then let's see how the roads are to determine if we're going home or not.
Might stay over in Syracuse, might drive the rest of the way. Who knows?
Back in Ottawa, 1 Chipotle lobster, 1 ham and cheese, and Mr. Murphy also went next door to the Egg Club, and he's got macarons in here and some little pies, which we'll show you later on in the video if we are staying overnight. But look at that. You guys know the drill. Check out the earlier video when we were here the first time, but maybe we'll show you what we're eating now. There's the hash brown with the egg filling. This is so good. Ham and cheese, or this might be the lobster one, I'm not sure. And there's the other one. Don't they look beautiful? I think so. We just made it through the border. 3 hours later, approximately 4 o'clock. Wasn't too bad. Waited a little bit, pulled up to the gate. He asked if we had any tobacco or beer or things like that, and we told him we just had a 6-pack of 1664. And we're on our way to the States.
So welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York. And there you have it. North Country Welcome Center, back in the States.
I love New York. What a great vacation.
Isn't that pretty? That's where we're headed. Inside the Welcome Center. Look at how pretty. This is the Miss Cutaway 1936 Chris Craft. So nice. Look at that. And then over here you've got the boards again. I love New York. We've got the map over here with some welcome guides of what to do in the area. And then you've got Taste of New York. And we're gonna head over this way. There's another one where you can be the I in I love New York. We're gonna get Mr. Murphy to do that. Yep. More boards, find what you love. Excellent. Restrooms, here we go. After driving for 5 hours, we finally made it to the Dinosaur Bar-B-Que here in Syracuse, New York. Look at this place. And they are busy. Very, very busy. I'm just grateful to be sitting down right now. Love it. Alright guys, we're starting off with an Athletic Wild IPA. He's got over there, hiding behind his water, a Dino Rita. And we've got some baked beans, Dino poutine, which I wasn't expecting that, and a brisket cheesesteak.
Oh, let me spin that around for you. How about it?
Yeah. Yeah. Is that all that's left?
That's all that's left. I mixed the pulled pork, the rest of the brisket, in with the baked beans.
Of course you did.
And I added some of this garlic chipotle sauce.
Oh great, well then I can't eat it.
Nah. How about this one?
You mixed that in too, didn't you?
Mango habanero, it's coming.
Yeah, you can eat that then. Clarion Point, Syracuse, New York, downtown, room tour for $106. You get a chair, a king-size bed, a nice TV console with lots of storage and a refrigerator and freezer, nice little desk area, and you get a little fancy bathroom, hair dryer, Lots of towels. Shower with some really good shampoo and conditioner. And a mirror. We decided to lay our head for the night because there was no way we were driving home in this disastrous weather that is taking place right now. Literally almost fell coming in to the room because it's all open.
Wow. It's more like a motel than a hotel if it's open like that.
But this is nice for a motel because look at how big the bed is.
King size bed.
Yeah, not a
Everything
twin.
looks brand new.
Yeah, not a twin.
Everything looks nice.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this series of episodes of us in Canada. I hope you will check out the playlist for videos if you're just joining us. And make sure you check out the last time we were in Mont-Tremblant so that you can see what we've compared it to.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have one more episode New Year's Eve. And I don't know what kind of episode we're going to do yet. Maybe it'll be about all the foods we've eaten from around the world.
Year in review.
That might be a great episode.
Mm-hmm. We did all of the local and stateside foods.
Yeah.
But we have pictures of all the food that we ate all year long. It was not included in there.
Yeah, I think we're going to do a nice little slideshow, throw it up in the background, and we're going to talk about it.
Mm-hmm.
That might be a good episode.
Sounds delicious.
You never know. And then we'll talk about what 2026 is going to bring.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year's early, and good night from Syracuse.